Hi, this is Anneli from Sussex Coast. In today's video, we are using book pages and our masterboards to make journaling cards, pages, pockets, like this. We'll sew them first, and then we will stamp on them using any kinds of stamps we already have at home. These are handmade ones, but they don't have to be. We also use found objects for stamping because they leave a particularly fun mark. This is made by a highlighter. Okay, so for this tutorial you will need book pages, stamps, your favorite ink, and a sewing machine, or you can skip the sewing part if you don't want to put paper and glue through it. Okay, so let's get started. If you don't have a sewing machine or you don't want to put paper and glue through it, then skip this step. It is not obligatory. I just want to see what happens when I sew them. I love these. They don't even need anything else. I really want to do these with black thread, but I don't have the energy right now to change the thread. So, and I wanted to show you some stamping instead. So these are the ones we sewed today together. So they can become tags or bookmarks or belly bands or pockets, or they can easily become pages in a journal, which I think awaits these guys. And then, I mean, I love the texture of it, but if you wanted it to be even more exciting, you could take a stamp and stamp in these blobs, or add some background noise with a different, background stamp. It's entirely up to you. You could also take a bigger, more bold stamp and stamp them. So the world is your oyster. But yes, definitely, once I figured out that I like sewing around some of these patches, I was definitely happy. Yeah, so you could stamp words in here even, happy or I love you or whatever. This could be 2 cards, or it could be a page. It could even be a journal cover because it's quite sturdy. I want to chop this up. These can be journaling cards, or you can ink the edges. So we have 2 pages, 2 journaling cards. This is just a mess because I was just trying to figure out what I was doing, but I don't hate it. Sumi ink, very smelly, gorgeous looking. You only need a little bit. And usually I also add a spray of tea or coffee that I'm drinking, but my spray bottle is downstairs. I feel like I want something big and graphic. So this is just fun foam, I think it's called. You draw a design and you cut it out, and then I just went over it with a pencil, and then it sort of creates these grooves. I'll show you what I mean, and it looks absolutely amazing, even if I say so myself. Shall we try something low staked first? Yeah, that'll do ish. stamp this baby. Yes, please. I love it. And here is one of my cheap acrylic stamps. One of my absolute favorites. You like it? Okay, I am getting too excited here now. You do this and it just looks like art. I attended a workshop on Sunday and the organizer asked afterwards, you know, what do you do? Like, are you an artist? I said, no, not properly. And then I was thinking, like, what makes a proper artist? I think this possibly does, you know. You are what you repeatedly do, and all of us repeatedly make amazing art. Love it. And this can be used in a collage later. Another use for your book pages, use them as stamping pads or like under paper for stamping. Protect your desk, and then you have beautiful things to play with later. Again, fun foam. Drew the fishes, cut out the fishes, and then went in with a pencil or a you know those tools they use for nail art and stuff with a ball on the end? One of those. They probably have a name. I don't know what the name is. Okay, be prepared for your fishes to be going the other way that you intended. Let's make them go horizontally here. If you want me to make a video showing you how I made these stamps, then let me know in the comments. I promise you it is so easy. And this is really meditative, and you have control over the amount of ink you apply. There we go. Right. How perfect is this size? Oh, okay, fine, bit dry. This is a better imprint, but it's fine. I can come in and add some gold here if I want. Christmas fishes. I am still happy with it. All right. What else do we have? This one is already stamped. This one is not sewn. This one is not sewn either, but I want to stamp this. This is sewn. Yeah, I like it. I'll decide later whether I want this to be chopped up or not. Yes, baby. I can't stop, can I? Should we try an actual leaf? I have already jelly printed with this. Oh, okay, not the most impressive thing I've ever seen, but not bad. Yeah, that'll do. So here we are. I'm not doing any more stamps right now, but obviously you can stamp with any household items. You don't need any fancy tools at all. Oh, this will make a nice label frame. Look at that. Accidents happen. Happy accidents. It will probably be a lot better with an actual stamp pad. It will be more uniform and finished. If you don't like the messy look, then definitely go with the stamp pad. But I don't mind mess. So this is a very happy accident. What is this? Dimensional magic. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can make some marks on here as well. What could we use? Okay, this is the end of a brush. Oh yeah. Look at that. So anything that makes a slightly imperfect mark is my friend. A sentence I would not have uttered 3 years ago, where I was terrified of the blank page, terrified of getting it wrong. I'm just generally terrified of having fun. Oh, I love this. Look. And you can do whatever you want inside as well. I think I might actually maybe put some gesso here, and then that can be a journaling spot. What does this do? Oh, okay. Yeah, no, that's a bit too wild for me. I have a whole mark making drawer, more stamps. Okay, let's try it. I feel like I want round ones. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is definitely not bad. Just a felt tip. No, highlighter. These all want to be in the same direction. That's fine, I will let them. Oh, that's enough. Right, let's give the fish some bubbles and then call it done. Wonder what this will do. This is a pen. Oh, yes. Kind of brings all the bits together. Do you even notice the book pages now? I wasn't impressed with this imprint earlier. I'm already okay with it. This fish will maybe get some gold later. And the results are in. We went from this to this. To this. So go grab your mark making tools, your book pages, your favorite ink, your favorite stamps. Make your own stamps or use whatever you have around the house and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.